Cinnamon stars are a winter favorite. Let me show you how to make them. Divide 2 eggs into egg whites and egg yolks. Beat egg whites with a mixer until stiff. Now slowly add the powdered sugar in egg whites while you mix it. Add the lemon zest. Now, add vanilla, amaretto, salt and cinnamon, and mix it until it is well combined. When adding the almond flour or ground almonds, only pour in 3/4 of it, not all, like I did it. It turned out to be too dry, so we have to add some water at the end to make it a little more wet. Once you mixed it and it's too wet, you can always add some almond flour to it later. So let's put some water in. So once it sticks together well, try to form a ball, just like that. Then wrap it and put it in the fridge for about an hour. Sprinkle powdered sugar on surface and roll out the dough to about 1/4 inch thickness. Since the dough is still cold, it will take a little bit of work to roll it out. Just work it. See, there we go. Use a star cookie cutter and cut out cookies. I will leave a link in the description in case you need one. Bake stars at 300°F for about 10 to 13 minutes. In the meantime, make the glaze and fill it into a disposable bag. Cut the corner off and put a big blob on top of star. Spread it all over the cookie. Bake it again for about 10 minutes at 225°F. And now, enjoy those incredible cinnamon stars.